Hey, it's Sakina from MyBrownSparkles.com. Thank you so much for watching. I would like to present to you guys a project that has been on my mind and on my keyboard and on my computer for months, and I'm really excited to finally share it with you. Let me introduce to you Simple Plates. Simple Plates is something that started off on my blog. If you go to my website, you'll see under the Wellness tab, you can tab down and scroll down to Simple Plates, and you'll see a collection of recipes that are very simple, very healthy, and I just wanted to expand that. So I decided to make my first recipe ebook. In this ebook, you will find pretty much something for everybody. I have designed the recipes to encompass all your favorites, from barbecue to Indian food to shakes and dessert to your favorite breakfast items. This ebook is going to rock your world, and I'll tell you why. If you are not a chef, you can use this ebook. You can use this recipe book and you can make these recipes, and you will be like blown away by how delicious the food is. And you're gonna be like, I made this? Many of the ingredients are whole food based, whole fruits, whole vegetables, herbs, spices, things of that nature that are really going to help make the food flavorful, packed full of nutrients, and most importantly, easy to make. Right now I'm getting my vegetables prepared for the week. I like to make a batch of vegetables at one time and use them throughout the week. I put my vegetables on sandwiches. I'll make rice bowls. Oh my God, it's so hot. Sandwiches, rice bowls, you name it. You name it. It's something that you can just make with veggies that you cook throughout the week. That's one of my roasting. Roasting is my favorite method of cooking when it comes to cooking vegetables. You can get the ebook now. I've linked it below. You can also get it on Amazon.com, or you can get it by visiting MyBrownSparkles.com. I'll link it there. Let me know what you think. Go buy the ebook. Let it change your life. Let it change your idea of what healthy food tastes like. And come back to me. Let me know what you like best, what recipes you'd like to see more of, and I'll get to work creating more delicious, healthy recipes for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you enjoyed the ebook. I'll be talking with you guys soon. Bye.